Hi everyone, my name is Marcus and this is another episode of Marcus Fixes Stuff. Today we're going to be attaching a fender flare to the front passenger side of my 2011 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Yes, a lot of stuff seems to break sometimes, but it's been a good car. Let's get down to business. All right, well, as you can see, the fender flare is definitely missing from this part of the car. We've got the new one right here, came in the mail today. Again, I ordered it online, I shopped around, and I found the best price. Before we can put the new one up, we're gonna have to take these old mounting brackets off because they're old and brittle and I don't want old stuff holding on my new part. So we should be able to just get in there with our hands and pop those things right out. The new fender flare came with new mounting brackets. So we're gonna put those in place and then hook this thing up. We're gonna slide these brackets in to start with. And then all we should have to do is pop this thing on. As you can see, I've already done a few of them, just trying to get ahead of the game. All right, let's see if it fits. Alrighty, here we go. They're lining up perfectly. Might have to use a little bit of force to pop them on there. Alrighty. So the last piece is to put in the front part with the little grooves. So let's do that now. As you can see, there's a bit of insulation that lines the wheel well. You want to make sure it's underneath the new fender flare so it's not hanging out. There's some holes for some bolts, which we'll do that at another time. But right now, we've got the slots lined up and we're going to push them into place. And again, you might need a little gentle coaxing. There we go. Let's have a look at it. Yep, looks good. Once I got the piece completely in place, I gave it a little tug just to make sure that it wasn't going anywhere, and it was secure. So another job well done. Thanks for watching the video. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell for notifications so that you can know when I post another video. But that's it for now. I will see you again when something else breaks. God bless.